Hello, this is what I am doing for planting. Is to leave small garden and small grass for daily food. This one is look like fresh garlic, but it's not fresh garlic. I don't know how to call in English. It's a good one. Recycle of old basket and use it for useful for daily life and planting this for everyone. Yeah, you can see how amazing my garden. Yeah, after cement store, and I used to do this for everyone. Yeah, that's good. Wow, this is amazing. It's all stuff from your car. It's a car wheels, and it's make it useful after we use it, and we can plant all the plant. Yeah, yes, carry waste and all of this. Yeah, this is a flower garden, and I do it for fresh, and everyone always come and take a photo, and they feel very happy. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel at the below. Please stay safe and healthy. Goodbye. See you in the next video.